Hello everyone, welcome to Login Jan. In this video, we'll learn how to fix can't be invited as a collaborator on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up your Instagram account. To be able to invite someone as collaborator, both the inviter and the one who is invited should have business account, meaning they need to have professional accounts. So if any of you two have personal account, make sure to turn your account into professional accounts. For that, first navigate to your profile. Click on the three horizontal lines, the menu icon on the upper right corner, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you land on the settings page, scroll down and look for Account Type and Tools. Tap on it, and now click on Switch to Professional Account. Now hit the All the Continue button and select a category for your account. Once you're done selecting, select the Done option. Now from here you can either choose Creator or Business, doesn't matter, and once you're done, click Next. You can also set up your profile if you want, and once you're done setting up, another major step to be able to invite collaborators is to allow tagging. Make sure you and the other person has the tagging allowed from everyone. For that, go back to your settings page and scroll down and tap on Tags and Mentions. From here, tap on Allow Tag from Everyone and make sure the other person has the same settings. With this, you'll be now able to invite collaborators. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.